Amongst the three states of matter, air is the one with a set of loosely packed molecules, thereby providing more room for compression, and thus by compressing the air, we could store kinetic energy and later disperse it in times of need. Though an air compressor could compress air, we need a system in order to save it and then disperse it in the right way, in the right magnitude. And such a system is called a pneumatic system. And by terminology, pneumatics is the study that deals with the behavior and application of compressed air. A basic pneumatic system consists of a source of compressed air, control valves, pipelines, and pipe fittings, and pneumatic accessories like filter regulator and lubricator. An air compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of air by reducing volume. Air is compressible. The compressor reduces the volume of air and induces pressure in it. An air compressor converts electrical energy into kinetic energy in the form of air. The compressed air is stored in a container called a reservoir and can be used for cleaning under pressure, generating torque, and develop forces provided the tools required. This source is free of cost, safe, flexible, and convenient. Air compressor has very few parts, thus making the maintenance a much easier task. And since of its most pros, it finds a wide range of applications, which include operating pneumatic tools such as drills, screwdrivers, and hammers, and to operate pneumatic cranes, and to activate the brakes in cars, bikes, rails, and presses. And in the field of agriculture, it is used in dusters and sprayers, and to drive CNC machine tools, pneumatic conveying of materials, for pneumatic gauging, inspection, and low-cost automation systems. The air compressor is classified into various categories. Air compressors are classified according to the method of energy transfer and pressure generation, that is, positive displacement and dynamic compressors. Positive displacement compressors work on the principle of increasing the pressure of air by reducing the volume of air in an enclosed chamber. Dynamic compressors work on the principle of imparting the energy by rotating vanes of impeller on air flowing through the casing that increases the pressure in it. According to the number of stages, an air compressor could be divided as a single stage, a double stage, triple stage, and more than that, a multiple stage. And categorizing by action, it falls under single acting and double acting. And if classified by the position of the cylinder with respect to the crankshaft, cylinders inline, vertical, radial position, V-type cylinder arrangements. And based on the prime mover, an air compressor according to the prime mover, it could be categorized as electric motor drive or IC engine drive or a gas turbine drive. And based on the cooling medium, it could be air-cooled, water-cooled air compressors. Thus a whole lot of kinetic energy is involved. There's gonna be a lot of heat. Reciprocating air compressors. Reciprocating air compressors are positive displacement type of air compressors. These are piston and diaphragm type, vane type, gear type, screw type compressors. The principle of operation is same, but according to the stages, the delivery pressure is different in each compressor. A reciprocating air compressor consists of a piston, which is enclosed within a cylinder equipped with suction and discharge valves. The piston receives power from electric motor or an IC engine. The compression of air is done by first drawing a volume of air into the cylinder through suction valve, during suction stroke of piston and then compressed and then discharged through the delivery valve during delivery stroke. And this is an ideal reciprocating air compressor.